Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy card featuring a little Copic coloring and a great pattern paper pad from Honeybee Stamps. So let's get started. First I stamped the flip-flops and shells from Flippin Fabulous with VersaFine and heat embossed them with clear embossing powder. I colored them with Copic markers and then die cut them with the coordinating dies. I'm using RV shades for the flip-flops and E70s for the shells. Next, I trimmed a piece of pattern paper from the beach pad down to an A2 panel. I love how it looks like I just spent a ton of time ink blending and masking to create that gorgeous beachy look. I stamped the big sentiment from Hello Summer onto the pattern paper with VersaFine and heat embossed it with clear embossing powder. Then I arranged and adhered the flip-flops and shells. I used foam mounting tape for one flip-flop to give it a little extra dimension. Off camera, I added a little Spectrum Noir clear sparkle and Nuvo crystal glaze to the straps for a little extra shimmer and sparkle. And that's it. You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!